What's up, everyone? I call this one Beach House Mansion. You will see why. It's very large. Big shoe closets in the entryway. The power's out, so no lighting. Mostly hardwood floors. Really cool doors like this through the whole place. Getting into the living dining room. It's looking, it's pretty good. Big tatami room over here. Got panels missing on the doors. Kind of problematic considering the realtor says the owner doesn't want to make any repairs. But we have to negotiate, perhaps. Glass window here, interesting, right? Into the kitchen. Really low countertops for shorter people. There's a power outlet in the middle of the kitchen, old-fashioned style. Here's where it starts to get just a little bit rough, shall we say. The place badly needs repairs and a deep cleaning. Out here, here's the pad for the washer dryer. So this would be a laundry room and a door to the outside. Let's check that out. Got a little window. Wow, neat. Okay. Just a side way to get in. Okay, back inside. There's a laundry sink over here. Lots more storage. This is just a cabinet. And this is back into the main hallway where the living dining kitchen is over to the left. So let's look at the bathroom. Again, just a little bit deteriorated, shall we say. Really love this. It's like an entire bathhouse to yourself. It's very cool. Tile obviously cleans up pretty well. And then the main floor, you might call it the guest bathroom, is enormous. Really old school, but very fancy Japanese toilets. Eee! Okay. Understairs closet is a Harry Potter mansion. And then moving to the upstairs. Big windows in the stairwell. Off to the right is the master. It's the first carpeted room I've ever seen in a Japanese home. Giant built-in closets. Like, just enormous. I mean, the butler could live in the closet. Into the balcony. I'll show you the backyard. Oops. This way. Which is very big. It goes all the way back to the other house, essentially. Badly in need of a trim. And then we move. This is Cephas over here and his wife, Kay.
Hi, Hannah.
Into the middle bedroom. Kind of a different style. Needs some work. Another balcony. Needs some work. Coax. Most Japanese homes have fiber now, but looks like we're still on coax in this place. Into the upstairs bathroom. Pretty similar to the downstairs. Less fancy. All right, the last two rooms up here, we've got an office or workshop room, art room, you might say. Enormous closets, that's the theme here. Looking into the neighborhood, past the palm tree. And on the other side, the third bedroom, I guess you could call it. And that's it. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Just kidding.
Yeah.
I think doors. we found the attic.
There's a light. There should be a light. So you go in.
There's no electricity.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
So did you turn?
here we go. It is.
Huge, small.
It's like a. This is a Harry Potter.
Crawl space.
No, Harry Potter castle. Okay, here's the view from the street. It's big, long story short. Nothing we can't handle. Cephas is yelling over there that he's gonna help clean it up. And here's the backyard. Got this thorny thing overtook the arch. But it's really gorgeous. It goes all the way back to the next house, and there's two really pretty Japanese maple back here. I don't know, Cephas is convincing me. What do you think?